Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to your Excel lessons for today. Today we want to look at the DGET function in Excel, which is a database function. To do that, we introduce our DGET function with an equal sign, DGET. So we have our DGET function, we select our database, we use the F4 to block it, we use the comma. We are interested in the sales rep, so we select 2. Note that we want to find out the sales rep who sold shirts above 8,500. So the interest in the sales rep, so I'm selecting the 2, then comma. Note that the DGET take 3 arguments. So this one, now we are on the criteria, and this is the criteria that shirt sales should be more than 8,500. We use the F4 to block it. We close the parenthesis, then we enter. Voila! So it gives us that Eben, the sales rep Eben, meets shirt sales of 9,970, which is above 8,500. Assuming we want items or our interest in watches above 8,500, automatically to go and pick the sales rep who did sales more than 8,500 for the items watches. So you can see watches, Equia did a sales of 9,500, which is above 8,500, and this is the DGET formula. So you can see that the first part is the database, the second part is the condition, that's what we are interested in, and the last part is the criteria. Thank you for following us on YouTube Consult. Continue to follow us and have a wonderful day.